Allahu 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 Allah Allahu Allahu Allah.
Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'een. Amma ba'd. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. This is Brother Sayyid for the second Jummah reminder video this semester. I hope you guys are all doing well and have settled into the semester. Today's reminder is going to be about the importance of dua. Honestly, this is such a concept in Islam and a topic that we can go on and on. I mean, we could have a whole semester long worth of reminders of this, about it, and we still wouldn't have covered the importance of it. Maybe it's not such a bad idea to actually spend a whole semester focusing a whole series of reminders on one idea or topic. It will allow us, both of us, all of us, to dive into the content and material for one topic and research it well. Anyhow, but let's go on with the rest of our reminder. So dua is a very important aspect in the life of a Muslim, because dua is like a conversation with Allah Almighty, in which we put our needs before Him and ask His help in the resolution of our problems. Dua is not only a submission about our need before Allah Almighty, but it is a form of worship as well. We ask Allah Almighty for everything that we want in our life, no matter how big or small. Dua is a means of keeping in touch with Allah, and due to dua, we get closer to our Lord. So dua is a source of keeping us closer, keeping the supplicant closer to the Almighty Allah. Dua is a form of prayer, and it could be made at any time, anywhere. There is no fixed time and place of making dua. It is considered a weapon of the believer, with the help of which we can change our situation by asking help from Almighty Allah. Dua can change the destiny. So try to make dua in every situation, because with dua, you will always get closer to Almighty Allah. Dua maintains a person's belief in one Lord, and it rejects all forms of idolatry. Dua is essentially a submission to the Creator and a demonstration of a person's need for Allah. Allah Almighty says in the Quran, in the Holy Quran, "When my servants ask you concerning me, tell them I am indeed close to them. I listen to the prayer of every supplicant when he calls on me." So with this verse, we can say that Allah Almighty listens to us when we make dua. We should always seek help from Allah. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said the most excellent worship is dua. This is quoted from Sahih al-Jami. The Prophet ﷺ said, "A slave becomes nearest to his Lord when he is in prostration, so increase supplications and prostrations." This is quoted from Sahih Muslim. We should make dua at all times, not only during times of distress. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "Whosoever desires that Allah answers his duas in unfavorable and difficult conditions, he should make plentiful dua in days of ease and comfort." Brothers and sisters, please make dua for your friends, relatives, family members, and even enemies. Make dua for the rest of the ummah, which is going through all kinds of hardships and struggles. We should pray for them for the good in this world as well as in the hereafter. Holy Prophet ﷺ said, "The dua of a Muslim for his brother in Islam in his absence is readily accepted. An angel is appointed to his side. Whenever he makes a beneficial dua for his brother, the appointed angel says, 'Ameen, and may you also be blessed with the same.'" This verse is once again Sahih Muslim. So this will be our short reminder for this week. I hope you guys can all benefit from this. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allow us to remember, understand, learn, and memorize what was said, and allow us to benefit from this and bring barakah in our lives and bring peace in our lives and solve all of our problems. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum. And inshallah we will see you again inshallah next week, or you will see someone else. Assalamu alaikum.
Allahu Allahu Allah.